Okay, the last one of the sampling errors is non-random sampling error. This one can easily be avoided. You just don't use convenience sampling. Use one of the 5 techniques that are okay to use, and those were back here. Any one of these sampling techniques, including random sampling, is okay to use. It will get rid of the bias out of your sample. So non-random sampling error, the result of using a sample that is not random, aka convenient sampling, so just stay away from that one. Okay, now if you have 2 different people and they collect data, say they go to the same college and they collect the heights of 5 different people there, do you expect both of them to find the average within their sample to be exactly the same? Probably not, because they're going to use different people in their sample. They won't be the exact same people. Okay, so all that to say that there is variation present in any set of data. Okay, that's totally normal. You're gonna see that. Say experimenter 1 found that the average height was 5'5", and then the second one was about 5'7". Okay, there's a little bit of variation there. That's fine. That's totally normal right here. That's completely natural. But say experiment number 1, and this wasn't it, experiment number 2 found 8 feet, I'm exaggerating here, 9 inches. Okay, if they are very different results, there might be something wrong there. Okay, you may want to reevaluate your data taking methods and your accuracy. Okay, so a little bit of variation, that's totally fine.